Hey guys, it's Jules. Welcome back to another video. Today I went grocery shopping at Trader Joe's, so I'm just going to show you some healthy vegetarian dinner meals or lunch or even breakfast if you like that. I just don't like savory items for breakfast, but if that's what you like, feel free to have it for that. I'm just going to show you everything that I just bought from Trader Joe's. Okay, I have 4 options and then I'm going to show you what I'm picking for tonight and how I'm making it and spicing it up a little bit. I got gnocchi with tomato sauce and mozzarella cheese. And then I got dumplings and these high protein veggie burgers. These are my favorite veggie burgers. They're probably the best ones that I've had from Trader Joe's, and I've had every single veggie burger they have. These dumplings are an amazing lunch. I love them with soy sauce and then like a bunch of veggies, and this lasts you a long time. And this gnocchi is really good if you want like pasta but you want something like lighter or just like a little more flavor. This is really good. This can like be enough for like 2 to 3. So if you're just one person, this can last you a good amount of time. And the last thing I got are these roasted cauliflower and cheese raviolis. This is actually what I'm making today. I just started boiling some water and I have a pan with like a little bit of butter. I'm gonna show you how I spice it up and let you know how it is. Alright, so keep watching if you wanna see me make a really healthy vegetarian dinner. I just have to put everything away and then I'll get to it. Okay, so this is basically what I'm having for dinner. And if it's not enough, I'm gonna add eggs. So I think I'm just gonna get a clove of garlic. I have a couple Brussels sprouts from this stock that I got from Trader Joe's. It's really cool. And then I'm gonna put some spinach inside this pan, and then I have the water boiling for the ravioli. So, just gonna hope that stays. I'm gonna peel the garlic. There are so many easier ways to peel garlic, but I'm obviously just doing the most tedious way because I don't really know. Now I just want to cut off the edges because I don't really like this part. You can, I didn't see that. I don't like that part. It's kind of gross. And then I'm literally gonna cut this on the counter. I'm just gonna cut it in half and then in half the other way. And just like a bunch of little cuts. Don't worry, my counter is clean. And now I'm just gonna cook the garlic onto this pan. And I actually am just gonna stick these right onto the pan as well. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of olive oil, and then that's gonna be that, and I'm gonna put the spinach in at the very end. That's a little violent. All right, so here's the butter for the pasta that I'm gonna add at the end, and now I'm just gonna grab some pasta, some raviolis, and just stick it in the water. It's not exactly boiling, but it's okay. I'm just gonna put like 6, because it's just for me and I don't really want that much. So this I'm just gonna stick back in the freezer and I'm gonna just wrap it later, but I just don't want it to get bad, so it's just gonna stay in there. And now the garlic is getting a little brown, as you can tell. I'm gonna add this spinach into it. Just a handful of spinach, because it really just swivels. It really just becomes nothing after a certain time. It shrinks. The spinach shrinks. And then I'm gonna wait for the raviolis to come to a boil and leave it for 5 minutes, and then take it out, put it in this bowl with some butter and some salt, and I'll let you know how it is.
Okay, I just finished and put it all together. I put the raviolis on top and I kind of tried to mix it to get the veggies on top and make it look pretty. But it didn't really work. And I definitely tried it. I also put a little bit of balsamic vinaigrette with the veggies and it tastes so good. I definitely recommend getting this from Trader Joe's and then mixing in your veggies. I added a little bit of butter to give it some flavor because I don't have sauce, but I also don't really like sauce. So this is the end result. It tastes amazing, so definitely recommend trying it. I also put my favorite seasoning ever, everything but the bagel, sesame seasoning blend with sea salt, garlic, and onion. I put this on maybe everything that I actually make at home. If not, I would just put sea salt and garlic powder, but this is just essential. It's just so good. I put this on everything. So disregard my nails. I put on fake nails and it just didn't work out. But this is so good. I recommend trying it out. And ooh, I have this crazy wonky hat on. Oh, that's dirty. I'm gonna take it off. But if you make this, send me a picture and let me see how you made it and your recreation because it tastes amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video of like a healthy food recipe guide sort of thing and some healthy vegetarian options. If you enjoyed it, subscribe and like the video. And that's all for today. It's a little short video just to like give you what I'm making. Also, if you hear panting, that is my dog. But I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna eat this and then I gotta head out. But see you later.